Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to run GPT-OSS-120B on your Strix Halo PC using ROCm. As you'll see, this model fits great on Strix Halo and we can get some really fun results coding with it. Let's get started. To get started, we launch a terminal and run Lemonade Server, specifying ROCm as our backend. Once Lemonade Server is running, we load the GPT model. I'm using Continue, which I already set up using Lemonade's Continue Hub. Next, I'm going to ask the model to use Python to create the game of Asteroids. While this is generating, let's talk more about what I'm showing. I've pre-installed Lemonade Server using its Windows installer, which sets everything up in a couple of minutes. I also downloaded the model in advance using the Lemonade Model Manager. It's 60 gigabytes, so it takes a little bit of patience to download. By the way, we also support Linux for all our Linux fans. Just install using the command line with instructions from our website. Recall that when I launched Lemonade using the command line, I specified ROCm as our Llama CPP backend, which is using the latest ROCm 7 beta. Then I loaded the model into memory so that when I prompt the model, I'm only waiting on the generation. This is all running locally on my Strix Halo PC. As you can see, the token generation is fast enough to run this large model. Once the response is complete, I can save the sample code of the game to a Python file. I open a new terminal and activate a Conda environment where I've pre-installed Pygame. Let's try playing it. Clearly my asteroid skills need some practice. Pretty cool, right? But I think it needs some pizzazz. Next, I'll copy the class that defines my asteroids and ask the model to add some color to the asteroids. This is just a small sample of what these large mixture of experts LLMs are capable of. I can make applications customized to my design needs, easily tweak them in my IDE, and it's all running locally. Once I get the updated section of code back, I can update my Python file, save my changes, and try running it again. Now that looks more fun. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more, visit the Lemonade website and try it out for yourself. Happy coding!